What's up? So some changes here at the old house. First off, GP 1200 gone, SXR gone. I listened to the masses, listened to everybody around me. I needed 2 Superjets. So this is a 1992 Yamaha Superjet. As you know, the 92 came stock with a 650, but this now has the 701 stock 701. It's a pretty nice ski. It's got that Riva ride plate. I'm pretty sure it's stock pump and everything. It needs some turf. I'm gonna turf it and everything. It's a pretty nice little ski. I will pop the hood real quick. Alright, there's under the hood of the 92. She is clean. Clean. This is a 701 from a VXR. Not sure what year, but it is a clean motor. She's solid. It's all new fuel lines. It's got a pole limiter on it. It's got a pull spring. But yeah, this ski's pretty solid. Took it out on the lake yesterday. Been riding them both a little bit. But alright. Next I'll show you guys that one here in a minute. Alright, so this is my 96 Yamaha Superjet. So this thing's a little different. It's a round nose, obviously. But this one's got all new turf. I got mud on it the other day, but it's got footholds. It's got a 2-inch shortened pole. It's got a full carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber nose. It's all carbon reinforced in the front. It's got brand new paint, new turf on the outside. It's got the 144 pump with the stainless prop. I don't know the pitch. It's also got a D-cut plate, but it's actually a custom Superjet mold from this company out of Pennsylvania called 24/7 Innovations. So it's cut down 4 inches. You can see that cut right there. There's the 4-inch cut. Stock Superjet, 4-inch cut. You can see it's got a nice little explosion cap on there. But yeah, this one's pretty nice. I'll pop the hood on this sucker real quick. Alright, so here's the engine on this. It's pretty clean too, but it's got the factory B pipe. It's got an 80A aluminum head, 38cc domes. We got some condensation in here. I don't know the carb size. I'll figure that out. But no. That's really all I know about this one. It's got the pole limiter. You can see where that pole is shortened right there. No, this thing's fun to ride. I enjoy it. But today, creek's all flooded, so I'm probably gonna put in the 96 round nose here in a minute. I just got home from work, so I'm gonna go get changed and take the round nose out. I might take this out to the square nose 92 out today, maybe later in the week. I don't know. But anyway, we'll be back. All right, boys. I filled it up. Hey. We are on our way. Doing it the easy way. We're just gonna set it right in, bud. That's how you do it. But anyway, creek's down there. We're howdy. All right, boys, we have made it to the creek. Tractors are sitting a little cockeyed. Jet ski has came unscathed. Creek's up really good, actually. Exactly how we want it. So I'm gonna get this thing rocking. Set it right on in the water and get going, boys. Damn. Alright boys, that was just a cruise down the creek in on my 96 Superjet. I'll get a video of this 92 soon, a little square nose. We'll also get back on the bike soon, which we need to do. But anyway, I'm gonna get more videos of these. Ended up renting like a freaking Banshee, so I couldn't get the drone out. I was gonna fly the drone and everything and really get a good view of this freaking short and fairly built Superjet. But I'll make some more videos on it soon. Stay tuned. PowerShift out.